Welcome to Pronounce Rightly. In this video, we will learn the correct punctuation of the word quarantine. Let's begin. Quarantine. 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 Quarantine means staying away from other people for a temporary time to stop the spread of disease or infection. Another example of quarantine means isolation for health and safety reasons. Examples: he stayed in quarantine for 7 days after traveling abroad. The patient was kept in quarantine to prevent infection from spreading. Quarantine. 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 Thanks for watching Pronounce Rightly. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more pronunciation videos.